Now, your KSBW weather forecast with meteorologist Gina DeVecchio.
All right, let's start off talking about the evacuation warning that was just issued. And so that is for the Santa Cruz Mountains as for now. So that's going to be the focus with this storm because of how densely populated it is. Also, we do have a flash flood watch. So we talked about it earlier in the show that flash flood watch put out by the National Weather Service would be the first step to then emergency responders putting out, or the sheriff's office putting out those evacuation warnings across the area. So this is the burn scar in the red. So they have started putting out evacuation warnings for Boulder Creek to Ben Lomond and Felton. So it's those areas downslope of the burn scar. So also along the coastal parts of Highway 1, of course, but it's going to be those areas that are on the southern side of this storm system for now that are going to be an issue. So we have a lot of information on our website. Be sure to go there, know your evacuation zone, and understand the timing of this. So this is not for the storm system tonight. I want to stress that. But this one tonight is going to be potent in its own way with some winds. As for the flash flood watch, that's for Tuesday night into Wednesday and Thursday. This also includes Monterey County. Now, Santa Cruz County has already put out that evacuation warning, but that could be possible in areas around the river fire, which is a little more populated than, say, the Dolan fire. But the Dolan fire could lead to some bad erosion because of this heavy rain and the debris flow. So breaking it down for you, warning versus order. I know it's confusing because in the weather world, the warning is the more severe one. But when it comes to evacuations, evacuation warning is issued 48 hours ahead of the storm that is expected to meet minimum rain thresholds. We've been talking about it all week that we did expect this storm middle of this upcoming week to exceed those thresholds. So if the forecast stays on track, then tomorrow night around this time, in other locations, they may be staggered. So stay vigilant and pay attention to your evacuation zones. So then 24 hours ahead of the storm, if there's no change, that's when you need to leave your house if you haven't already. And it's imperative that everyone follows these evacuation orders because unfortunately with debris flow, there's no preventing it from happening. It's going to happen whether you're at your house or not. You really cannot help protect your home from it, so you need to get out. Forecasts, here, we'll take a look at it. You can see that rain, the cold front that came through this evening, that is pushing out of here. Now through tonight, we are going to be seeing some showers still along the coastline. I mentioned it earlier in the show that we could be seeing some thunderstorm development on the coastal side. We also have some very windy conditions, and we have a wind advisory through early tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow afternoon, looks like it's going to be clear. That's good for prepping for the storm, whether that means you're in evacuation area or if you need to clean out your gutters before the next system hits. Tomorrow afternoon into early Tuesday is going to be the best chance for that. Then the next system comes our way. This is Tuesday. You can see that winter storm watch as well. We're talking about feet. We're talking about perhaps over 5 feet of snowfall in some areas. And for us, we're talking about inches. Again, over 5 to maybe 10 inches of rainfall. And you can see where this sets up, potentially moving back northward after Wednesday. So that's a concern as well. Chilly for tomorrow. Temperatures once again are going to be in the 50s, and so it is going to be a cold day, cold week ahead, and then we do have those impact days for Monday, and then Wednesday, Thursday. I am going to update that Wednesday to a severe day now that we have had those evacuation warnings issued. So that just came out right before our weathercast. Unfortunately, couldn't do that, but take this seriously and pay attention to those orders and get out if you are told to.
100%. And Gina, as you just mentioned, this news, it just broke. Evacuation warnings have been issued along the Highway 9 corridor. We do have that information on our Facebook page right now and on our website, ksbw.com. It's very similar to how the evacuation warning and order, or the map, how it was during the fires. You're in those considered zones, and wherever you are located is whether or not you're going to get a warning or an order. Again, a warning has been issued. It means be prepared 48 hours in advance. We have all of that information on our Facebook page and our website, ksbw.com. We will be right back.